Hey, what's up, guys? It's Derek Collins with the Diversion Center, and I'd like to thank you for checking out my video on how substance abuse counselors can make $100,000 or more providing services in private practice. Now, if you're new to me or this video, I'd like to thank you for joining me. I truly appreciate it, and I'm not going to waste your time. I'm going to get straight to the point. So please take out a pen and a piece of paper and write down some good notes. So if you guys don't know about me, my name is Derek Collins. I've been in private practice now for 8 years, and I have 5 offices in the Atlanta metro area, and I provide court mandated classes and evaluations. And a great way and a great income is to work in the court services field. So if you're a substance abuse counselor and you're looking to get into private practice, a great way to generate income is by doing substance abuse evaluations. Now, roughly, you need about $300 a day to make $100,000 a year. So that's your goal, is to make $300 a day. That was my goal when I started, and that can definitely be your goal. If you're LPC, LMFT, substance abuse counselor, this could be something that you'd be highly interested in. All right, so think about doing substance abuse evaluations for court mandated clients. So I charge between $110 and $200 for substance abuse evaluations. So these are for non-DUIs. So roughly, let's say you charge $100. Let's make the math easy. Let's say you charge $100 for a substance abuse evaluation for a non-DUI charge. You could do 3 of those. That will get you $300. Or if you do DUI charges, I charge between $150 and $200 per evaluation. So if I do 2 evaluations at $150, that gets me at $300 easy, and I'm done for the day if I want to stop right there. Also, you can do anger management evaluations. You can provide evaluations for custody cases. I do a lot of those. Also, you can be a SAP evaluator for the DOT. You have to go through a specialized training to get that SAP designation, and you can definitely become a SAP evaluator if you choose to. Those evaluations range between, I'll say, $400 to $1,000 per evaluation. So just me giving you that information right there should get you excited and let you know, hold on, I can do this. This is doable. This is something that I can manage. And I average probably about 5 evals a day, and some are SAP evals, some are substance abuse evaluations, some are DUI evaluations, others are anger management evaluations. Also do substance abuse evaluations for immigration. So there's so many different ways you guys can do this. I also provide court mandated classes like anger management, ASAM level 1 treatment, shoplifting classes, domestic violence classes, MRT classes, values clarification classes, and a whole lot more. So as you guys can see and tell, the income is there. So if you want to learn how to get in the court mandated field, give me a call at 404-503-8069 or reach out at info@thediversioncenter.com or go to courtmandatedtraining.com to get all the information on how to get started and learning how to make $100,000 or more in your private practice. Yes, this is definitely doable. I've been doing it now for 10 years. I've been in business for 8 years. And if I can do it, you can do it. It's all about your marketing and how you get people in the doors. So if you're a substance abuse counselor, this is a great niche to get into. So if you need help, give me a call, 404-503-8069. I would love to work with you.